Hi guys, welcome to today's video. In today we are going to be making a very fast face mask. Now let's take our measurements. 10 by 5 inches. You take your measurement 10 inches by 5 inches, then fold into 2, then fold into 4. Now we can take our measurements. Yeah. Now just take 1 inch here, deeper in, yes, 1 inch. Then the other part we take half inch. Here I'm using 1 inch because I want it to be deeper, but ordinarily is half inch on the other side. Yes, here you take 1 inch inside. Then you don't have reason to mark this other part. I just marked it, I don't know why. So now let's rule out our points like so. Now then we are done with it, so you just cut out and our template is ready. Yes, now we can use it to cut out any fabric for our face mask. Now the fabric I'll be using here is scuba. They call it scuba fabric. Is thick and it doesn't fray. That's why I'm using this fabric, so there will be no need for me to line it. Yeah, so it's thick already, so there's no point putting landing. And don't forget, this is an emergency face mask, so I'm just going to be doing it very fast, sharp. Put your template, then cut out your fabric just like so. So easy and fast, just like so. Now we are going to be folding out the edges. The part we cut, you just fold it back and sew through it. Yes, you can use your machine. If you don't have a machine, you can use hand. You can sew by hand. Now fold out the part for the elastic band and sew it round with your hand or machine. That's all. That is just all. Now we are done with the sewing. Yeah, we are done with the sewing. We have folded this part for the elastic. Now we have to turn it out. We are done with this face mask. Then the elastic band, I use 8 inch here, 8 inches. You can always reduce it if it's too big for you, so that's the point. You can just fold it even more if it's too big for you, so you can adjust it. Just attach your elastic band and we are so done for this video. Thank you for joining me in today's video. See you in my next video. Bye.